In this video, I will show you how to create a portfolio dashboard in Monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What you want to do is create a new dashboard by clicking the plus sign next to main workspace. Scroll down to dashboard, click it and create a new dashboard. I named mine project portfolio. Once you have created your new dashboard, you want to connect boards by scrolling to the top left, and you can add data sources. So you can add different boards to your project workflow. So I will add my first 3 boards. Once you have selected them, click done. My boards have now been added to my project portfolio. What you want to do next is add different widgets to help your project workflow. So simply click add widget. So the first widget I am going to add is a numbers widget. I am then going to add a workload widget. So I scroll down to the bottom and search for workload. I'll add that widget. I will then also add a status overview widget. So now my project portfolio has a number of different widgets, and I can move it around to my liking by simply clicking on it, and you can then drag it to where you want it to be. And you can also make other changes to help refine your project portfolio to your liking. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.